welcome to Clearout. I'm Bharti, and I'm here to help you find the IT services that suit you the best in terms of affordability and in terms of fulfillment of your requirement too. So I'm sure you'll agree with me when I say that information technology has made its presence in every field. A major part of the information technology field is the managed IT services because it ensures that the business network is up to date and it operates seamlessly at all times across all the departments and all the hierarchy levels too. So, in short, what I'm trying to say is that there's a need for managed IT support services for all the businesses, be it a startup or be it any multinational corporation company. So, installing IT infrastructure with servers, networks, storage, security, and a multitude of other services is a very costly affair. That is why I have brought it up because if you are investing a lot of your money into a certain field, then you should be sure of it that you are making the right choice and selecting the right person, which in this case is selecting the right managed IT services. So, this can be done with just one tool. Yes, now you can get 100% verified list of B2B leads of firms or agencies providing managed IT services. So you'll be getting many options. You can go ahead with having a detailed conversation with every lead that you get and select what suits you the best. So all you need is a user-friendly tool named Clearout, which you can see on my home screen right now, which is a combination of a email verifier and lead finder. So this tool provides both. It provides you B2B leads and it then helps you verify the same. So now you can generate and verify the leads from one place in just 3 steps. So the first step is that you have to create an account with Clearout. You can create a free account. On the top right, you can see a orange colored rectangular box which states create free account. You just have to click on it and provide your email ID and password that you want to use. Once you create a free account, you will be having 500 credits on your side, which means that you can verify 500 leads absolutely free without providing any payment information. I'm already having an account with Clearout, so I'll simply log in. So once I log in, this is the dashboard of Clearout. This shows the data that about what I have already used Clearout for. It just gives a summary regarding that. So the first step was logging in. The second step is going to lead finder because firstly we'll find the leads. Then in the next step, we'll verify the leads. So on the top, you can see lead finder. It's a recently added feature. It is a tool to find prospective clients for your B2B business, which in this case, we are talking about the managed IT service. So all I have to do is just type in what I'm looking for and click on submit. So this tool, this B2B lead finder will go around all the data, the worldwide data and fetch the details of the managed IT service. So let's try it out. I'll just type in managed IT service. Now I'll just click on submit. See, so it is showing me a result of total 70 leads found. So you can see that it is giving me the name, it is giving me the URL, it is giving me the address of their physical location, it is giving me the email ID and the phone number also. So just I have to enter what I'm looking for, click on submit and I'll be getting the details. So many details in just one click. So once I get these details, what I can do is I can create a list of the information right now visible on my screen. And once I create a list, I can go ahead with verification of the list. Yeah, the why I'm talking about verification of the list is that you have 3 ways of contacting this person, either visiting on to the physical office or going and talking through email, or you can directly call that person. So if you like, we have 70 leads right now, so I don't think that you will be going to call every lead that you have found here. I think most of you will be heading towards the option of emailing, of contacting through an email. So I am talking about verification here, because uh, what happens is, if you use your email ID to send out an email to invalid email IDs, or unknown email IDs, then there are chances that your IP address or the email ID that you're using may get blocked. So to avoid that, let's verify the sheet. Go ahead with only the valid email IDs. So for that, I just have to click on create a list. This list is just visible. I want to create it. Give it the list a name that is suitable to you. For me, managed IT services fine. So I'll just create the list. Once I create the list, I'll get a notification. Your list is created successfully and added to my list. So this is my list. I'll go on my list. See, here it is showing me the name that I've given, the total number of leads that I have, and whether I want to verify it or not. So I need to go ahead and verify the email IDs. If I'm not satisfied this with this list, I can simply delete it also. You can see that this here is the delete option. Right now I want to go ahead and verify the same, so I'll just click on verify. So what will happen is that Clearout, which is more of an email validation and verification tool, will go ahead and verify all the email IDs that are present, and give me a detail of how many out of 70, how many are valid, how many are invalid, how many are unknown, and how many are classified as catch-all. So you can see it's still under process, 86.57%. At times we also have duplicate email IDs in our data, so it will fetch that information also. So if you want to learn more about the terms like what do I mean by valid, invalid, unknown, catch-all, you can go to Clearout's FAQ. In FAQ, you'll be having email validation. So you can search, I mean, if you have any kind of confusion, you can refer to these terms. Like, what does the unknown status mean? The unknown status means both the possibility exists that the email may or may not be valid. This happens when the receiving server is not responding well. We recommend you to retry such emails after some time. So what I want to say is, if you have any kind of query regarding how Clearout works, regarding any term, you can easily refer to their FAQs. So let's get back, see whether our list has been verified or not. It's almost done. Just a few more seconds to go. See, now the list has been verified. It is showing me a total of 70. So from 70, the valid ones are 47 only. There are 2 invalid email IDs, 4 unknown, 14 catch-all, and 3 of them were duplicates also. So now I can simply download the result. I was having all the versions of the email IDs, like which ones are valid, which ones are not. Let's open the file once. Now I just have to deal with the valid ones, and I can go ahead and recheck the unknown later. So this is the sheet downloaded. What I can do is I can apply a filter and just select the valid ones. Right? I can do this. So here is a list of the name, the email ID, the website, the phone number of the people who are valid in terms of the managed IT services. Now I can simply contact them either by email or by the phone numbers and get the best deal for me. Right? So guys, this was a short version of how just with one tool you can get leads of whatever you're looking for and then verify them also. So, in my upcoming videos, I'll be talking about the other types of information technology services like software services, the VoIP, that is the voice over internet protocol services, and much more. So, I request you to stay tuned, like and subscribe our channels, and get the updates, because this is something very critical. If you want to grow your business, if you want to reach out to your audience, this is something very critical for it. And that's not it. I mean, there are many users of Clearout. You can go through my other videos also, where I'm talking about the integration of Clearout with Mailchimp, the integration of Clearout with Zapier. So there are many things out there. This was just one demo. So stay tuned, subscribe our channel so that you can get the updates of the videos as and when they go live. So as of now, that's all from my side. If you have any questions or queries, please do drop a comment. I'll surely reach out back to you. So as of now, bye bye from Bharti's side.